In this video, I'll show you how to search for projects on GitHub. First, open your web browser and search for GitHub. Then, open the official GitHub website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type the name of the project, programming language, or topic you're looking for. Then, press Enter to view the search results. On the search results page, you'll find several filters that help you narrow down your results. You can filter by repositories, code, issues, pull requests, discussions, users, and more. If you click the More option, you'll see additional filters to further refine your search. You can also filter projects by programming language, making it easier to find repositories built with languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, or any other language you're interested in. Simply search for the name of the project or topic you want, apply the filters if needed, and browse the matching repositories to find the one that best fits your needs. And that's how you can search for projects on GitHub in just a few easy steps.